Hey guys, so welcome back to CAT Clearing Tips 2024. So आज हम बात करेंगे about the strategies for the quant section. So based on our previous videos and also the organizer of CAT 2024, I am Calcutta, and also the trends, we all can be a little assured that quant section is going to be a little trickier than the others. So for that, we need to have a proper strategy of clearing it. So today, I'm going to share my strategies, how I cleared CAT 2020 and I got a percentile of 98.7 in the quant section. There can be various strategies. You might have come across a lot of strategies by a lot of people in the last few months. Some might say scan the whole section and then start writing the paper. Some might say look for the questions which you can actually attempt. And some might say just start doing as it is. In 2019, I was sequentially solving the questions from first to the last and was solving the questions which were doable according to me on the go, resulting in that in the last 10 minutes I had 4 questions from arithmetic at the last, and arithmetic was my strong point, resulting in that I could solve only 3 out of those 4 because I was a little puzzled and was nervous as well, looking at the time and the ease with which I can solve the questions, but it was a wrong strategy. So here are a few changes that I made in my strategy for CAT 2020 which worked for me. So I scanned the whole paper, but I shuffled from the first to the last after 5 questions. So I started scanning from the first 5 questions. After that, I moved to the last 5 questions, scanned through them, and again came back to the sixth question and scanned till 10th, and again followed the same process. And in the meanwhile, what I was doing is, if a question I felt was even 50% doable, meaning I felt I have the chance of having accuracy at least 50% so that I can give it a try, I wrote down that number in a paper which we are given for rough work. It helped me scan and select the questions pretty fast and easily when I was trying to solve it. The time I took to scan through the paper was less than 3 minutes. So you can use that time, note down the questions which you want to attempt in the paper. In this way, it helps you to find a better accuracy level, and at the same time it saves a lot of time at the end of the paper when you're trying to find that particular question which you thought would be easily doable for you but you missed remembering it. This strategy worked brilliantly for me because in CAT 2020 I had an accuracy level of almost more than 96 or 95%. I had only one question wrong, which was also a theta question, so I attempted it because it was a no loss for me. Always remember, in CAT, accuracy is a master stroke. Even if you're solving 10 to 12 questions for quant, and if you have a very high accuracy level, then you are good to go. Understanding which questions not to attempt is a major takeaway for a CAT preparation when you're doing for the quant section. We should not even waste a single second in trying a question which we think we will have an accuracy level of less than 50%. So just like life, if we know which one to not take in the paper, we are good with CAT Quants 2024. So let's work on our strategies and clear CAT 2024 together. Best of luck.